let's talk about Robinhood subpoenaed by the SEC over brokerage crypto business. They apparently revealed an investigation subpoena from the SEC back in December of 2022, which makes sense because they had some sort of ties to Sam Bankman-Fried. And in its 10K filing, Robinhood noted that the extent the SEC or court determines any cryptocurrencies it supports are securities, they could be forced to stop trading these tokens. So the only thing that I support for the SEC investigating Robinhood is to make sure that the assets, that they do have one-to-one assets on the exchange if people are able to withdraw them from Robinhood. Other than that, I think that it's just frivolous, and I do think that it is a waste of taxpayers' time and money. Who would like to take this story next?
I can go quickly before. Oh,
go ahead, Jen.
George,
no,
take
Jen,
it away.
Jen, go.
All right, I'm going to go quickly. I'm just going to go super quickly. I was really going to say this is a little bit of a nothing burger story. I wasn't surprised by it, right? The subpoena concerned crypto listings, custody of cryptos, and operations. This makes complete sense that this happened in the wake of FTX's bankruptcy. I think the SEC kind of failed in the oversight of what was going on behind the scenes at FTX, and for them to now look into how crypto is being custodied at firms like Robinhood, I don't think is surprising at all. George, do you have something more interesting to say?
No, you're a very interesting person, Jen. Thank you for that.
Come on, George.
Thanks, George.
Well,
George needs to be on the show more often.
We're on the topic of market manipulation, so like, who better to bring in the conversation than the free brokerage that's for the people, right? Invoking the name of an English folklore hero. Disguise the fact that they're actually just selling your order flow to Citadel in exchange for no free trading, right? We can just laugh at the absurdity of regulation again. Wendy, you said that they will, if the SEC determines that certain cryptocurrencies are securities, then they have to stop trading those cryptocurrencies. But why? Don't they sell other types of securities to their customers? I mean, they even sell options, which are quite more dangerous than any security out there. I mean, you can go to zero with options more easily than you can with even the shittiest stock ever. Sorry, the worst stock ever. Come on now. I said that it doesn't matter what Gary Gensler says. I say it doesn't matter what the SEC says, but I beg you, just a little bit of consistency, please. Just a little bit. Ben,
I completely agree. I mean, given the kind of weight and burden of unresolved issues facing crypto, to spend enforcement time on a nothing burger, as you say, like this seems like a complete stupid. So I wish they would focus on more substantial issues. Yeah.
Wendy, you got last words on this one before we go to break?
We're literally using laws from the 1900s, guys, before there was fax machines, and it's just so frustrating to me to see that retail gets attacked. The poor, the underdogs, we continue to get attacked, and they think that they're protecting us, when in all actuality, they're doing the very opposite of protecting us. Those are my final thoughts.
Can I add something about the Howey test?
Please.
Well, this is America, right? We're founded on this capitalistic ideal. What's wrong with having an expectation for profit for anything, right? I love how that's usually the last bit of it, where it's, oh, you have an expectation of profit? It's like, yeah, you guys think I'm on the show for free? I'm not writing articles for free for CoinDesk. I'm not doing it out of the goodness of my heart. I have bills to pay. What's wrong with that? Anyway, that's
America.
This is America.
George Kaludis.